Okay, today we are going to see what displacement reaction is. So displacement reaction. Now it is a reaction in which an element will displace another element from a compound to take its place. Now let me try to explain this with the help of an illustration. Now suppose we have a compound in which there are two elements. Suppose this is an element and this is another element. Suppose this is element red and this is element green. Now this compound is trying to react with some element. Suppose that element is element blue. Okay. So in displacement reaction, what is going to happen is that this element will displace this element from its place to take its place. So this element will come out from here and this element will take its place. Okay. So if we understand this in more details, it will be something like this. This one will come out from here and this one, it will fit into this place. So that is what is a displacement reaction. We can symbolically represent it in this manner. Suppose we have a compound called AX and this AX is reacting with say B, and what will happen is this B will displace A from this compound AX and it will take its place. So the result, the product will be BX plus A. So A has been displaced and B has taken its place. A very nice example of this kind of reaction is there in your NCERT book. This is the reaction. Iron reacts with copper sulfate and due to this reaction, iron will displace copper from copper sulfate and we will get iron sulfate and copper. We'll just take a look at a demonstration of this experiment. You can see this iron sulfate over here, this copper sulfate solution over here. Copper sulfate solution has an iron nail and after 24 hours, if you leave it for some time, what will happen? This will happen. Okay, so you can see this copper deposit on this and actually iron has displaced copper from copper sulfate. This is the situation. This was what we had earlier, this iron nail inside copper sulfate solution. You can see this iron nail, now it has been transformed to this condition. So iron has displaced copper from this copper sulfate solution and copper has deposited on this iron nail, so it has been displaced and iron sulfate is formed over here. So you can see the change in color also. This is the color of copper sulfate and this is the color of iron sulfate. Okay, so this is a reaction. Just take up this reaction from here and we will paste it to our workplace over here. Okay, I'll use this. So this is the reaction. This is a balanced equation actually, and it has got its states also mentioned in it. So iron takes the place of copper and forms iron sulfate, and copper is displaced from copper sulfate. So this is a good example of displacement reaction. We have other examples also in our NCERT book. You have to go through them, and in our next video we shall be looking into double displacement reaction. That is another kind of reaction. That is the fourth kind of chemical reaction that we are going to study. So I'll just take a short break and we'll meet again in our next video. Thank you.